What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to LTH. My name is Abe, and don't forget there are timestamps down below in this video if you'd like to skip to any one specific part. But if you are new here, this is a standalone video, but this video is a part of our series on how to set up a HomeLab, which you're seeing on the screen right now. And in this video, we're going to be covering Linux hardening and a 6-video part series because I wanted to keep these videos nice and short for you. But we are going to cover within the next 6 videos how to enable automatic security updates, SSH key authentication, enabling the firewall, installing fail to ban, removing unnecessary package, and upload your public SSH keys to GitHub. Alright guys, welcome back to episode 5, how to remove unnecessary packages from your machine. This is going to be a super short video. It's very basic. They make it very easy, but we're concerned with bloat software, right? Or unattended packages that have vulnerabilities in them potentially, which can lead to opportunities for malicious hackers to find them, exploit them, and gain access to your system. We really don't want that, right? On a Debian server, removing unnecessary packages can be done using the app package manager. But right, the more fluff and bloat you have on your machine, the more opportunity for there to be vulnerabilities. And within the cybersecurity world or the IT world, we call that attack surface, right? More stuff there, more stuff for hackers to attack, the higher probability that there's a vulnerability that they will be able to exploit. So this is 3 commands, but you can type it in one. It's sudo apt auto remove, sudo apt auto clean, and sudo apt clean. And yes to continue. The following packages will be removed. Generic Linux modules, 7 things are going to be removed. 301 megabytes from the disk will be freed. Do I want to continue? Yes, it will remove these services, and they will no longer be used. And then that's really it, right? It just gets rid of like that, or like a Dorfined package, for example. Like maybe you deleted a service, but there's residual data or subdirectory folders that are left over that didn't get deleted. This can find them, see that it has no root father or no root parent, right, of the file system to edit or control that file, and it will just get rid of it because it knows nothing can reach out to it or access it, right? And so that's it. Super quick. Super easy. Stay tuned for the next episode on how to upload SSH keys to GitHub so you can use them during the automatic installation process when you set up your next server.